College homework may seem tedious because of a lack of organizational skills and procrastination. Students often come under stress from their pending assignments, projects, and upcoming exams, which make their lives horrible. If you are a college student, this video will help you organize your homework. So, don't only watch these tips. Apply these to your real life. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more informative videos. Let's get started. Some college assignments are lengthy and may take months, while you can complete some within hours. So, whether a thesis project or a chapter exercise, you must follow a study planner. Break down lengthy homework assignments into smaller tasks to keep them manageable intraday. You must focus on your daily tasks to stay updated on your homework. A planner tool will help you keep track of your schedule and deadlines. You can either use a paper planner or a digital one, whichever works best for you. Write down all your assignments and deadlines, and check off each task as you complete them. Also, you must prioritize your work and ensure you don't forget any important assignments. Organizing your study space is another important factor in completing your daily homework seamlessly. Make sure you have all your study materials within your hand's reach, so you don't waste crucial time finding things. It's essential to eliminate any distractions when you study. So, turn off your phone, find a quiet place to study, or use noise-canceling headphones to help you concentrate on your homework. Finally, avoid procrastination. It is the worst enemy of students. Complete your homework daily and finish your assignments before deadlines. It will keep out the stress of pending assignments and projects. Also, you will be better prepared for tests. This is all for today. We hope you will follow these tips and achieve all the success in life. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant updates. See you in the next videos. Bye.